Welcome to Fact Flash and you are watching National News. Let's take a look to the headlines. PM Modi released the 8th installment under PM Kisan scheme via video conference. While addressing the nation online, PM referred coronavirus as invisible enemy and says, as a Pradhan, I share your every sentiment. 24 patients died in Goa due to lack of oxygen. A sigh of relief to the national capital Delhi and financial capital Mumbai recorded decline in COVID-19 cases. Discussions on vaccination gap. Is it for the betterment or shortage of vaccines? Bollywood star Anupam Kher U-turn on central government after image building remark. And lastly, COVID updates. Let's start with the first news. PM Narendra Modi released 8th installment of Rs 20,000 for over 9.5 crore farmers under PM Kisan scheme via video conference. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday released the 8th installment of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, giving over Rs 20,000 crore to about 9.5 crore farmers beneficiaries. For the first time, farmers in West Bengal have joined the scheme and about 7 lakh Bengal farmers received their first installment today. The Prime Minister at a virtual event said, farmers have made records in agriculture and the government is also setting new records on procurement on MSP every year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the nation online referring to coronavirus, says that he understands the pain of the people who lost their loved ones, called the virus as an invisible enemy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today he empathized with people's pain and suffering because of COVID and described the virus as an invisible and quick changing enemy that was challenging the whole world. Because of this coronavirus, we have lost people close to us. The pain that citizens have suffered, that many experienced, I am feeling it equally, PM Modi said in his online address at a farmers event. As a Pradhan Sevak, I share your every sentiment. He assured that his government's efforts was to make sure that maximum people were vaccinated. Amid the oxygen crisis going on in the country since the second wave of coronavirus hit the nation, there is a sad news coming from Goa. Report says that 74 people have died in Goa Medical College and Hospital last night due to lack of oxygen. 74 patients have died at the Goa Medical College and Hospital, the biggest COVID facility in the state, in the past 4 days, all reportedly due to lack of medical oxygen. 13 people died in the critical dark hours between 1 am and 6 am on Friday, according to former Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sardesai. Moving on to the good news, national capital Delhi and financial capital Mumbai taken a sigh of relief as they have recorded the lowest spike in the number of coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. Some relief is coming from the capital Delhi and from the financial capital Mumbai. The COVID situation in Delhi is easing gradually, with the city recording 10,489 fresh cases, lowest since April 10 in last 24 hours. And if we talk about Mumbai, the city reported its lowest single day spike since March with 1,946 fresh cases in 24 hours. Now if we talk about the vaccination, the discussion is going on in the country regarding the widening gap between the 2 shots of Covishield doses. Now, amid all these discussions, the members of the group who has taken this big decision says that this gap between the doses is for the betterment of the people and not because of the shortage of vaccines. Covishield doses was a discussion based on science, not vaccine shortage, says a member of the group that recommended the big change. The government has launched a detailed study to compare the benefits of increasing the dose gap, said N.K. Arora, chairman of COVID working group. Yesterday, the government said the gap between 2 shots of Covishield should be 12 to 16 weeks. It had been 4 to 6 weeks to start with and had been widening to 6 to 8 weeks. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher took a U-turn over central government post his image building remark, says that those who work make mistakes. On Wednesday, actor Anupam Kher, who has often praised the Prime Minister and is a strong defender of BJP-led regime, says that he believed the government had slipped in managing the COVID-19 crisis. But now he has taken a U-turn. Recently, Anupam Kher wrote a poem on his Twitter handle, says that only those who work make mistakes. Those who spend time idly looking for the evil in others, their lives soon come to an end, he tweeted. And lastly, let's take a look to the coronavirus updates. The nation has recorded 3,43,000 fresh coronavirus cases and 4,000 deaths in last 24 hours.